Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Borenbuir surround sound rear speaker wall mount. A versatile bracket designed for universal satellite speakers. If you're looking to elevate your home theater experience, this might just be the accessory you need. First off, let's talk compatibility. This mount supports a wide range of speakers with 1/4 inch 20-thread specifications, and it also works with 4mm and 5mm threaded holes. Whether your speaker has a keyhole or a threaded port, this mount has you covered. As long as the speaker weighs under 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. That makes it flexible enough to handle different setups without limiting your options. Now, one of the standout features is the adjustable angle design. Thanks to its innovative spherical joint and clamping structure, this mount allows for tilt adjustments up to 30 degrees. Horizontal rotation up to 180 degrees, and a full 360-degree rotation. This means you can precisely direct the sound exactly where you want it, optimizing the audio experience in any room. It's perfect if you want to create an immersive sound environment or focus the sound in a specific area. Durability is another strong point. The mount is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which is not only strong but also corrosion-resistant. This ensures that the mount can securely hold your speakers over time, maintaining stability whether you install it indoors or outdoors. Installation is designed to be straightforward. The mount comes in a two-piece design and includes all the necessary hardware, such as wall anchors, screws, thread adapters, and even a hex wrench. You don't need advanced tools or professional help to set it up. The instructions are clear, making it an accessible option for DIY enthusiasts. Another clever design feature is the TPU spherical shock-absorbing part. This helps minimize vibrations, reducing noise transmission to the wall and to other rooms. This is especially useful if you're listening late at night or just want to keep sound disturbances to a minimum. Inside the box, you'll find 2 speaker brackets, 2 thread adapters for M4 and M5 holes, a hex wrench, 4 concrete anchors, 4 drywall anchors, 4 long screws, 2 pulley hole adapter screws, and 4 cable ties. Everything you need for a complete installation is included, which saves you from hunting down extra parts. Overall, the Borenbuir surround sound rear speaker wall mount combines flexibility, durability, and ease of installation. It's a practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their home theater setup without the hassle of complicated mounting systems. Whether you're a casual listener or a serious audiophile, this mount offers precise control and reliable support for your speakers. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next product deep dive. Thanks for watching.